Okay, so this week in class, I'm going to be having you guys uh, do an animated GIF. So there's several different kinds online, but Giphy is the one that I chose. So I would sign in. I actually just signed in using Facebook. And then I guess there's this create button up here. So if you click on that, you can either choose a video, and then you can do a photo. And I don't have a video to use, so I'm just going to use some images. So I guess I'll just bring in, I think maybe just one at a time. You can come down here and do continue to upload. Now, what the heck? Oh, here. Nope, it's more images. It's that little button at the bottom there. And you can adjust the length. So I think I might do kind of just a mixture. This is going to be a pretty quick process. Something like that. And then maybe like have it go kind of quickly. So continue to decorate would be kind of coming in here. I might add some text here. Let's see, I might put it on. There we go, 2 lines. And the typing, I guess I could do rainbow. I don't know, there's also like, that's hard to read though. Yeah, so you can kind of change it. I kind of like that maybe. And then filters, we can go in here and start trying some different ones. I kind of like that. Kind of like a bad TV. It's hard to read though. This one's kind of nice. I don't really like that. Let's try them all, I guess. Kind of like that one. So you can also draw on it if you want. I don't know if this is kind of a stamp tool, it sounds like. So I could like click here and add little sparkles. I don't know. I don't know if that made too much of a difference, but and then you can add stickers. I guess stickers and draw are pretty much the same thing. So this is kind of interesting. I think you just double click, or let's see. Let's see, I've done this before. Well, if you click on these, you can move them over. Maybe I have to go to stickers. I'm not sure why that's not working. Let's see. There. Okay, finally. That worked. So I just clicked on it and dragged it over. This is kind of an interesting sticker. That doesn't look so good because it's on the guy's crotch, but maybe we could, I don't know, add them to the corners or something. And I guess if you want to get rid of them, you can trash them here. And as far as subject matter goes, I mean, you can do something about Northern or graphic design or art related or something like that. You could also do pretty much whatever you want. I just kind of wanted you guys to experiment in some of the online tools out there. It's a good way to make content for social media and kind of just a little bit of an exercise in creating text and font together with a timeline and moving graphics. And it's a really easy way to do it. And it still ends up looking sort of neat. So that's kind of why I'm having you guys do this. It's just kind of a fun exercise for you. And it's not going to be worth a ton of points or anything like that. It's just more or less for fun. And just to kind of get you guys thinking about, I don't know, somewhat of an animated option, because we're going to be doing the web design ad, the website ad that I think we're going to make it animated. So this is just kind of a quick introduction into thinking in that way. So I think you can go to continue to upload if you want to make it public. I wasn't quite sure what the source URL meant, so I just have been putting msun.edu and then just stuff that describe it. But you guys can do this about anything as long as there's at least 3 images and some text, and maybe if you put a sticker on there and just, maybe used a filter or just to try and make it a little bit more interesting, not super basic. So then you push upload to Giphy. Or Jiffy. I think it's Giphy. I don't know. And that takes a little bit, but it's not too long. And then here it is. So we can share it. I've been doing copy link. And then just been using this link here. The short link is fine too. Copy paste that. And then I'd like you to email me that link. Or maybe not email. Maybe I'll make a section in Brightspace. Let's see, where am I? Under activities, we could do assignments, and I could have an upload area for your. I'm not quite sure how that URL will work in there is the only thing. So if we need to, I can just have you guys email me that URL, but I'll let you know in class. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video and kind of show you how to do that. And we'll be working on those in class after I finish the rest of the lecture that was left. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.